Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through the steps that I took in writing my essay on the effect of social media on the younger generation. This process involved careful planning through research and strategic content organization. So let's dive into it. The first step in writing my essay was to plan very carefully. Planning is crucial as it sets the foundation for the entire essay. I started by brainstorming the main point I wanted to cover and then included the both the negative and positive effect of social media on the young people, as well as the potential strategies to mitigate this negative impacts. And to help focus my research, I identified the keywords and phrases. And some of the keywords that I used included social media effects on social media, on youth and mental health and social media, digital literacy, youth activism on social media, cyberbullying, and social media addiction. This keyword guided my research for relevant articles, studies, and report that provided comprehensive insight into the topic. And next, I created a detailed outline to organize these points logically. This outline helped me visualize the structure of my essay and ensure that each section flowed seamlessly into the next. And the initial planning stage was essential in creating a coherent and focused essay. So, organizing the content of my essay involved dividing it into the several key sections, and each section had a specific focus which helped in maintaining a clear and logical flow throughout the essay. And here is how I organized it. First was the introduction. Second was the positive impact, and the third was the negative impact, and the fourth one was the balancing the effects, as you can see, and the fifth and the final one was the conclusion. So, in the introduction section, I introduced the topic and provided provided the context and included statistics and uh, social media uses among teenagers and young people in Southeast Asia to highlight the relevance of the issue. And in the positive impact, I discussed the beneficial aspect of social media, such as increased connectivity, opportunities for self-expression, educational resources, and youth activism. Each point was supported with evidence from credible sources. And for the negative impact, this section addressed the downside of social media, including mental health issues, cyberbullying, misinformation, and impact on physical health. I illustrated this negative. So I use statics to illustrate this negative effect. And for the fourth one, balancing effect, I propose strategies to mitigate the negative effect of social media. These strategies including promoting digital literacy, setting guidelines for screen time, encouraging open conversation and responsible social media uses, fostering offline activity, and monitoring online behavior. And for the conclusion, I summarized the main point discussed in the essay and emphasized the importance of balancing the positive negative aspect of social media to create a safe and beneficial digital environment for young people. And for the origin of my sources, I included Child Mind Institute, Few Research Center, and my clinic. So Child Mind Institute. From here, I took an article how using social media affect teenagers, and this provided valuable insight into the psychological effect of social media on the young people. This source was particularly useful for discussing the positive impacts such as connectivity and self-expression, as well as the negative impact like mental health issues and cyberbullying. And next one is Few Research Center. And from here, a report by Anderson and Jiang, teen and their experience on social media offer statistical data and finding on teenagers social media use and their experiences. And this report provided a solid foundation for understanding the prevalence and nature of social media uses among teen, which I use to support various points in my essay. And the last one is uh, an article titled Teen and Social Media Uses: What's the Impact? And it's from the My Clinic staff, and it provides a comprehensive overview of health impact of social media use. And this source was instrumental in discussing the physical and mental health of excessive uh, social media use, and it helped to add credibility to my argument. And so integrating source effectively is crucial for supporting argument and adding credibility into an essay. So in my essay, I made sure to incorporate uh, various sources strategically. And here are two examples. So as you can see here in third paragraph, I have cited MK 2023 to discuss the positive impact of social media, such as increased connectivity, self-expression. I chose this source because it offered a well-rounded view of both the positive and a negative way, making it a balanced and credible reference. The insight from the Child Minds Institute helped me highlight how social media platforms allow young people to connect with their other globally and share their creativity. And in the chapter, in paragraph 5, sorry, so in paragraph 5, as you can see, I have cited the Anderson and Jiang 2018, and this highlight the negative impact is specifically cyberbullying and the spread of misinformation. This source provide up-to-date research and statistics, making it a reliable basis for my claim. And this detailed finding from the Free Research Center helped me emphasize the prevalence of cyberbullying and danger of misinformation among young social media users. And so completing this task was not without its challenges. One of the most challenging aspect uh, of writing this essay was ensuring that my essay was balanced and well supported by credible sources. So with so much information available on the internet, it was crucial to select sources that were not only relevant but also reputable and reliable. And another challenge was organizing the vast amount of information into a detailed uh, outline, and additionally, synthesizing information from various sources and integrating it uh, into my essay was very challenging. And as it was important to strike a balance between and presenting the research information and offering my own analysis and my own insight on this topic. So, in conclusion, so writing this essay involved a systematic approach to planning, researching, and organizing the content. By using credible sources and structuring my essay thoughtfully, I was able to present a comprehensive view of the social media on the younger generation. This process was challenging but rewarding as it allowed me to deepen my understanding of the topic and develop my research and writing skill. I hope this overview of my process was helpful and insightful. Thank you for watching.